What is up, you guys? It's Chris here. Welcome back to the channel. Okay, so as you noticed, I'm not in my room, but that's because I wanted to take you on a fun little journey today. I don't know if you know this about me, but I love thrift shopping. I love Goodwill. I love ARC. I love a good thrifting moment. That's just where I live. That's where I get most of my clothes from. Because listen, girl, if a shirt is $18 at one store, but you can get a shirt that's $2 at Goodwill, that might actually be cuter. Why would you not spend the $2? So I love thrifting. It's one of my favorite things to do, and I thought I would take you guys on my little Goodwill journey today. We're gonna go to two stores. We're gonna go to the Burbank Goodwill, and then we're gonna go to a Glendale Goodwill, and we're gonna see what we can find, and then we're gonna do a cute little Goodwill haul when we get back to the house. So join me on this journey. We're gonna go try to find some cute things, see if we can find some fashionable items, and yeah, let's freaking go, y'all. Alright, so that Goodwill didn't like me filming so much. But that's okay. We found some cute things that we're going to talk about later. I can't find my keys to my car. But we're going to head to the next one, the next location. Here we go. Okay, so that Goodwill didn't like me filming either. I guess Goodwills just aren't here for a filming moment. My voice is getting lost as we speak. We need to find her. Let's get home so we can see everything that we purchased. Oh, I am trying to have a conversation with my phone. Okay, yeah, let's go home. All right, you guys, what's up? We are back home from Goodwill, and it is time to go through everything we bought, because honest to God, this is cute. I kind of hit the jackpot today. I'm not gonna brag, but I'm getting really good at thrifting. Should we take a look? Should we just take a gander at what we bought? I say we like you spent money. It was all mine. God, where do we begin? Let's start with pants. Look at how fucking cute these are. You can't really see them. I'm gonna do my best to make everything seen, but look at how adorable these are. So in this little, the little tassels, one of them's gone, but there's still one little silver little ball in the tassel, but how adorable. I'm obsessed. I have this pair of also, sorry, my voice from last week still has not gone away. I have this pair of printed pants that I've had since I was literally a sophomore in high school that I wear all the time. I think they're so cute and they're so raggedy. I love little prints like that because I wear them all the time, and the one that I have is so busted. So yeah, I got that. Moving on to the shirts, I got this. Look at how adorable this color is. What? So cute. Apparently this is a golfer. My dad informed me today that this is a golfer brand. Greg Norman. I don't know if y'all know who that is, work, but this is, I just loved this color. I don't have anything seafoam green, so this was for sure something I was gonna get. And then I also got, y'all know I live for a champion moment, and this is just a cute little navy blue champion shirt with a little C right there. Lived for her. Work. I took all the tags off of these clothes already, so I don't remember, but I will tell you that everything I bought was $45. And I got I want to say 8 or 9 pieces. We'll have to count. So far there's been 3, right? So we'll tally up at the end. Listen, anytime I find anything Disney in Goodwill, I buy it. So I've never seen this at the store, at the park or anything, but how cute is that? Look at all the cute little fun Andy Warhol colors. So cute, right? Obsessed. Moving on to, I got a little just plain black t-shirt, because you can never go wrong with a plain black tee. And this one has it's not super thick, so it's a little bit thinner and not super hot, because it was 100 and something degrees today in Los Angeles. So found this. First of all, this is my favorite color, maybe a little bit more purple, but a periwinkle. I live for a good periwinkle. Look at how cute. It's a little Palm Springs moment. I love the retro print on it. Loves it. We love a Palm Springs moment. Y'all know I live for a good graphic tee moment. And these next two I just couldn't pass up. I don't know when I'm ever gonna wear this, but I just, if you can't read it, that says, "Oh my God, Becky." Like I said, I literally don't know when I'm ever gonna wear it. Watch me wear it in my next YouTube video, but I'm obsessed. I'm literally obsessed. I just watched Nicki Minaj's Carpool Karaoke, so it's fitting. last one. The very last one. Listen, I am such a... Okay, here's the thing about me and Goodwill. Y'all have seen me wear my dad t-shirt. Y'all know I live for a piece of clothing that is the complete antithesis of everything that I am. I feel like doing things that are like the exact opposite of what somebody would expect from me is like what makes it my brand. So, we live for a good dad joke, and this one really stood out to me. I really just can't deal. I just love you energy. It just makes me laugh. It's so funny. It starts out so like serious. So I had to save that one for last. But let's tally, because I don't actually think I did that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pieces for $45. I have clothes that are literally just one piece that is more than that. So I feel like that's pretty damn good, if I do say so myself. You know what, guys? That's it for this video. Super chill, super fun. If you guys liked this video and you want to see more Goodwill hauls, let me know, because I live for a good Goodwill. A good Goodwill. No, that was right. I live for a good Goodwill moment. It was right, but it was wrong. It's very not time for me to go to bed yet, but I'm tired, so maybe I'll take a nap. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But I love y'all, and I hope you have an amazing rest of your week/weekend, and I will talk to you guys so soon. Don't forget to wear a mask, get vaccinated if you can, and spread love like it's butter. Love you guys.